Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block all incoming calls on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings. Okay, scroll down, click on focus. Tap on plus icon, click on custom, type on block all calls, okay, then set emoji and next, then customize focus, okay, then click on choose people, tap on add people, scroll down, choose someone, then done, and next, then done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.